Imagine your favorite houseplant not just purifying the air, but also charging your phone. Picture a city park, lush and green, silently powering the streetlights around it. Science fiction? Not quite. We're on the verge of a bioelectricity revolution where living plants could become our greenest power source yet. So, how can a humble fern or a field of grass generate electricity? It's not about burning them. Scientists are tapping into natural processes, and plants release organic matter through their roots during photosynthesis. Certain soil microbes feast on this, and in special setups called microbial fuel cells, MFCs, they release electrons, tiny electric charges that we can harvest. Some researchers are even exploring how to carefully extract electrons directly from the plant's photosynthetic machinery itself, or by integrating biocompatible nanoelectrodes. Think of it as a gentle living solar panel. This isn't just a lab dream. Early pioneers are already showing us glimpses of what's possible. We're seeing small LED lights powered by a single pot plant, living lamps in public spaces that draw energy from nearby greenery, and even bioelectrical sensors in remote environments powered by the surrounding vegetation. These are small steps, but they prove the principle. But can we go bigger? Could whole communities be powered by electric gardens? That's the grand vision. Imagine energy farms where fields not only grow food, but also generate electricity for the grid simultaneously. Picture skyscrapers draped in living walls that are also power sources, cleaning our air and reducing our carbon footprint. This revolution could redefine sustainable cities and agriculture. Now, before we plug our toasters into our rose bushes, there are hurdles. The power output from current systems is still quite low, enough for small devices, but not yet for heavy duty needs. Scientists are working to boost efficiency, ensure the long term health of these power plants, make the technology cost effective, and scale it up reliably. It's a journey of innovation. The dream of plants powering our homes is a powerful one. A future where our energy is as alive and green as the world around us. While still in its early stages, the bioelectricity revolution promises a truly symbiotic relationship between technology and nature. With every discovery, we get closer to a world recharged by the quiet power of plants. What do you think? Could your garden light up your life one day? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're energized by this green future, give this video a like and subscribe to Synaptic Science for more groundbreaking innovations.